What's poppin', y'all? This your boy Reggie Beatz. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be breaking down Nonstop by Drake. Let's get it. Produced by Tay Keith, one of my favorite producers. Let's get it. Alright, cool. So we're gonna be using FL Studio, and don't worry because the link is gonna be in the description. Well, the link is already in the description below of the FLP. So just sit back and watch and let's get it. So alright, so we're gonna start with the bass. Sub bass, that's the main thing of the beat. Or wait, where's my manners? Let me just play the beat for y'all first. Yeah. Whoa. I just flip the switch. Flick. I just took up. I just hit a lick. Get up off my business. I just wanna get in this. I mean this. I did it. Like I pull up in the school, like I'm in it. Yeah, that's how it sounds, man. Damn. If you think I should be back in the game, if you think the rap game needs me, put in the description below. Then I'm gonna drop a song. Let's get it. Okay, cool. So let's start with the bass. The bass that I used was the sub bass. I know this was in the Lex Luger drum kit. You know, the legendary drum kit. Okay, cool. So once the bass is done, then he was like, alright, let me add a hi-hat to give it a young groove. So the hi-hat that I used was the Lex Luger hi-hat. I like the Lex Luger drum kit, man. Real trap king. So the pattern is simple. Here it is. Yeah. Whoa. You know, it gives it that bounce. You know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna add a clap. Lex Luger clap that I used. I'm sure that's the same one that Tay Keith used. You know, if you know Tay Keith personally, please ask him for me. Okay, let's hear how this one sounds. Hey, this is a snap clear. I think that's a new word. A snap clear? What is a snap clear? Snap clear is a mixture of a snare and a clap. A snap clear. That's a new word in my dictionary. Okay, cool. Then now we're gonna. That was a snap clear. Let's check what this is. I think this is a snare. Was another snap clear? Let's hear. One of my favorite snares. I love that snare. Okay, let's see how everything sounds now. Hey. Hey. Okay, cool. Now we're gonna add the kick, which is what as the sauce. You know what I'm saying? So the kick that I use is called Kick 3. It's from a secret drum kit of mine. And if you want a link to my secret drum kits, you know what to do. Holla at me. Holla at your boy. Okay, cool. So here's the pattern of the kick. You know, I just play it on the normal C note, C5. Oh. That's it. And then now the only thing that I had to put in as well was the sample. You know, but I don't want to play the sample here for copyright reasons. You know what I'm saying? But I got it right here. You know, I could play it, but once you get the FLP, you'll be able to play it on the FLP. Let's get it. Let me hear how it sounds now. Okay, so now the only thing that I need to add more is the twee. You'll hear it when it comes now. Yeah, that's how it sounds, and as you can tell, it's sounding exactly like the original. The only thing that's needed now is the sample, but this file is gonna be available for you so you can play anywhere, anytime without getting in trouble. So yeah, let's get it. I hope you enjoyed and liked this video, and please request whatever video you want me to break down next, so we can, you know what I'm saying, go deeper into the game, man.